Chris Cummings, an additive manufacturing technician here at MLC CAD Systems. And today I want to tell you about a useful feature inside the Markforged Eiger 3D printing slicing software.
This feature is called the dashboard. Once you have logged into Eiger, you can find it on the left-hand side of your screen under the Activities section. Dashboard will display the current number of devices, users, and parts for your organization. It also shows charts and graphs representing print jobs, device bandwidth, material usage, and parts uploaded. The items are displayed in a 1-week interval by default, but can be changed to show day, month, quarter, or year using the interval dropdown. These can be further filtered by users, devices, or material types. The dashboard even allows you to save and export all this data to a CSV file for use in a spreadsheet. So why is this feature useful? Well, for example, here at MLC CAD Systems, it is very critical that we keep sufficient stock of material on hand so we can complete benchmarks or service work for our customers. Well, the dashboard in Eiger has been immensely helpful for allowing me to sort historical material usage data per quarter and by onyx material type. I can see we used 963 cubic centimeters of onyx this past quarter. One spool of onyx contains 800 cubic centimeters of filament, so with this data I can determine we probably need to order 2 spools to keep our stock at its current level. This will help prevent any service interruptions due to material shortage. We also use this data to help project what our annual expenditure on material will be so we can set a budget. The dashboard is a great tool to help streamline your workflow and increase efficiency by identifying low and high device utilization times. It can also help you project when new material will need to be ordered, and it may even help you decide to add a new printer to your organization to meet your demands.